Aromatherapy benefits. Enhance emotional well-being for personal transformation. Discover how aromatherapy reduces stress, boosts mood, and supports emotional well-being on your journey to self-care and personal transformation. Aromatherapy benefits and emotional well-being. Hey, have you ever noticed how certain smells can instantly change your mood? Like the smell of fresh coffee in the morning or the scent of rain hitting the pavement? That's not just coincidence. Aromatherapy taps right into that natural connection we have between scent and emotion. Today, I want to chat with you about how aromatherapy can actually be a powerful tool to enhance emotional well-being, reduce stress, and promote relaxation. If you're into self-care or working toward personal transformation, this is definitely something worth knowing about. So, what makes aromatherapy so effective? It boils down to how our brain processes smells. When you inhale essential oils, the molecules interact with your olfactory system, which is directly linked to the parts of the brain that regulate emotions and memories, like the limbic system and the amygdala. This is why a certain fragrance can bring back a flood of memories, or just make you feel calm and centered in an instant. Let's break down some of the key ways aromatherapy supports emotional well-being. Reduces stress and anxiety. Essential oils like lavender, chamomile, and bergamot are known for their calming effects. Using these during stressful moments can lower cortisol levels, which is your body's main stress hormone. So rather than reaching for a stress ball or endless scrolling on your phone, simply inhaling some calming scents can smooth out those intense feelings. Improves mood. Citrus oils like orange, lemon, and grapefruit have uplifting properties. They stimulate the brain and can help combat feelings of sadness or fatigue, almost like a natural mood booster. It's like sunshine in a bottle. Promotes relaxation and better sleep. If you struggle with winding down at night, lavender and sandalwood offer soothing aromas that prepare your mind and body for rest. Creating a nighttime ritual with aromatherapy supports a sense of mindfulness and signals to your brain that it's time to let go of the day. Supports mindfulness. Aromatherapy nudges you into the present moment. When you focus on scent, it's easier to quiet a busy mind. This is a simple but powerful self-help technique that enhances emotional balance, helping you stay grounded through daily ups and downs. Incorporating aromatherapy into your wellness routine doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. You can use a diffuser to fill your space with safe essential oils, add a few drops to a warm bath, or even carry a small vial for quick relief anywhere you go. Some folks like to mix essential oils into carrier oils for a calming massage, which is another beautiful way to nurture your emotional and physical health simultaneously. Now, if you're on a path of personal transformation, think of aromatherapy as a gentle companion along the way. It's not a cure-all, but it's an accessible, holistic health practice that complements meditation, exercise, journaling, and other self-care habits that support mental health and a healthy lifestyle. For those curious to learn more about improving health and wellness through simple, natural methods, including aromatherapy, I recommend checking out some great resources from Wellbeing Publishing. They offer a range of books focusing on holistic approaches and practical strategies for cultivating balance, resilience, and joy. Explore the books now. You might find inspiration that perfectly fits your self-help journey toward success and emotional harmony. In the end, the power of scent is undeniable. It sneaks right into those emotional nooks and crannies and helps soothe us when life gets overwhelming. Whether you use aromatherapy to lift your mood after a rough day or to carve out moments of peace, it's a gentle reminder that wellness is all about nurturing yourself, mind, body, and spirit. Thanks for listening, and here's to filling your days with health, happiness, and a little bit of fragrant magic.